This is going to be a reading for the sign of Leo. All that you need to know about your soulmate. So, what are they up to in terms of their feelings, intentions, and where this connection is possibly moving forward. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start. Let's see what you are going through currently. What are Leos possibly going through? Okay. We have Six of Pentacles. So right now you're very focused on bringing balance in your life. Some of you guys could be focused on your Pentacles as well. It's all about your personal growth in terms emotionally, financially, personally, okay, spiritually as well. You're more about balancing your life out this time, okay. With the Justice card, I believe right now you're wanting to do what's right for you, what's best for you, okay. It is no more emotional drama. Like, that's your main concern. Your personal life is your main concern. Your future is your main concern. Balancing your life is your main concern, okay. So yeah, let's see one more card for what you're going through for the next 10 days. What are you possibly going through? With Page of Cups, some of you guys could be dealing with a possible water sign. Doesn't have to be, but this could be someone who is younger than you. Okay, doesn't have to be for all. I do speak to a lot of people here, so I got to speak what I see. But I feel this person, whoever this is definitely younger than you. Okay, if it's not them, it's you. But in terms of signs, I see water sign, that is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I see possible fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius. I also see Taurus. Okay, so in terms of your soulmate, one card for what are they going through. Some of you could have just found someone very interesting, okay, who is particularly a water sign, okay. In terms of your person, we have the World card. So this person is at a distance, okay. You guys could be in a long distance relationship for some of you. If it's not that, they are just at a distance from you, okay. Bottom card, we have Hermit in the reverse. So this person keeps coming back and going again. They are never stable, okay. Top card we have is Page of Swords. So right now this person could not be directly communicating with you, but sometimes they do reach out. They want to know what you are up to. So basically stalking you, okay, like keeping a watch, keeping a tap on you, okay. In terms of what are they going through, all that Leo needs to know about their soulmate. What are they possibly going through? Okay. In terms of what are they going through, I feel with Ace of Pentacles here, this person is very much focused on their pentacles at the very current moment. They are wanting to focus on their new beginnings in terms of their career, financial life. If they are a student, they are their education maybe, okay. With Queen of Pentacles, right now they are very much self-indulgent, okay, totally focusing on themselves, okay. In terms of how do they think about you now, their energy towards you, how do they truly think about you now, okay. With Five of Cups, they do miss you, okay. There's a certain degree of longing, I believe that they miss you, okay. They are longing your touch maybe, or wanting to talk to you maybe, okay. With Three of Wands, they are certainly waiting for you to reach out, okay. But majorly I feel this is a long distance relationship, because there are two long distance relationship cards, Three of Wands, the World, okay. Top card we have here is the Empress card. So this person hasn't given up on you, okay, but they are missing you, but currently they are way focused on themselves, like a bit self-indulgent, I would say, okay. In terms of their energy, towards you, with Knight of Wands, this person is still very much interested in you, still wanting to move forward in this connection with you, okay. With Three of Swords here, right now things could have possibly messed up thanks to a third party. Now when I say third party could be your job, third party could be their parent or their best friend or their ex-lover interfering, or third party could be romantic as well, but I do see third party getting in the way, okay. It could also be distance, okay, for some of you. But with Ten of Wands, I believe your person is more focused on their work than their love life, and that has always gotten the way, okay. Like they feel like their responsibilities do not let them be a part of you. They might have told you this some in like directly or indirectly, okay. One card for their intentions towards you now. So what are their intentions towards you moving forward? What are their true intentions towards you? Okay. With Knight of Swords, they want to charge back. Okay, they want to reach out. Okay, in the bottom with Three of Cups, they could have decided of staying away from you in the past. Right now, I see them wanting to charge back. Okay, with with the Emperor card, this person is a very stubborn individual. Some of you could be dealing with a possible Aries or a Taurus, but someone who wants control of the whole situation. They cannot just see things being out of control, and where they feel like they no longer have the control of the connection, they'll possibly stay away. But as longer as they feel like they are in control, they are at peace. Okay, but with the Queen of Wands, I see them taking action for the next couple of weeks. They will make a move towards you. So in terms of what action are they wanting to take towards you now? In terms of what action are they wanting to take towards you for the next 10 days? Okay, with Six of Swords, I definitely see traveling involved. So if this person lives at a distance from you, this person certainly wants to travel. Okay, like one more card, please clarify the Six of Swords for me. Yeah, with Ten of Wands, but darling, last moment this person could decide to cancel the plans thanks to their work life. So this is a possibility, I'm putting it out there. Okay, but yes, they do have intentions of traveling to you. Okay, so what can you expect in terms of action from this person? With King of Cups, this person will make a move towards you. They'll also behave very sweet, very caring, very nurturing with you. Okay, top card we have is Two of Cups. So yes, they will try to reconnect, but meeting in person, that is still a question mark. Okay, they could give you a last like minute message that they cannot meet you because of certain reason. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? So how do they truly view you? Okay, with Seven of Wands, they feel like you are having your walls up, your guards up. You are not letting them in completely. You are basically tired of them, and you have made your point clear that you are no longer interested or keeping yourself open to them. Okay, with Four of Swords, you were done. You could not deal with this crap. Okay, top card we have Ten of Cups, but this was the person you wished to end up with. But right now you are focusing more on your future than this connection. Okay, one card for how do they view themselves? How do they view themselves? They could also look at you as someone who is very stubborn and someone who does not really wish to compromise. Okay, how do they view themselves? With the Sun card and Four of Pentacles, they feel like I believe that this person in some which way saw you as their happiness, but something possibly got in the way. Okay, they view themselves as someone who is happy around you, who is very much interested in you. With the Sun card, this could also be a card where this person thinks highly about themselves. Okay, they look at themselves as a successful individual. Okay, someone who is stable financially, who's emotionally stable. Okay, and someone who has lots to offer to you. Okay, so yes, self-indulgent again, right? So one card for how do they view the connection? How do they view the connection now? How do they view the connection now? Okay, with Page of Swords, the Hermit in the reverse, and Seven of Pentacles. So in the past, you guys could have decided of not putting in effort because it wasn't getting anywhere. So you guys possibly gave up on it. If instead of working on it, you guys possibly gave up on it. But right now with Page of Swords, they feel like you stalk them, they stalk you, but you guys are not wanting to take action towards each other or fixing this connection together. Okay, so one card for their current feelings for you, one card for their current feelings for you. How do they truly feel for you now? Okay, Page of Wands in the reverse. This person isn't communicating with you. They are rather holding themselves back. Top card we have is Five of Pentacles. They may be missing you, but they aren't taking action towards you. But they are genuinely missing you. Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Okay, how do they feel when they think about you now? Okay, with Four of Wands, some of them could look at you as their divine counterpart, as someone who was meant to meet them in order for you guys to get together for a long-term commitment. Okay, like a marriage material. Okay, in Ten of Swords at the bottom, this thing ended bad in the past. You guys could have said a lot of things. If it's not that, then silence possibly killed the connection. Take what resonates in your case. And right now, it's all confusing. Okay, they do not know what to expect from this connection. Okay, one card for what do they think you are up to? What do they think you are up to, Leo? What do they think you are up to currently? Okay. With Seven of Swords, they believe that you are still stalking them, but you're possibly sneaking away from them, like you're possibly running away from them, but yet you're still keeping a watch on them. Okay, with the Two of Swords like at the back. With the Lovers card, they still feel in some which way that you still have feelings for them, but you're possibly not wanting to face it in the fear of getting hurt again. Okay. One card for where this is moving forward for now, where this is moving. Okay, with Nine of Cups in the reverse, darling, this connection hasn't given you anything. It's rather taken from you. Like it is draining you right now. It is making you feel bad, and I believe that's the reason you possibly gave up on this, because it was giving you major anxiety. Okay, you could not sleep, you did not know where this was going, and it was basically distracting you from everything. Okay, with the Star card right now, your main focus right now is healing, fixing yourself, and possibly wanting to move forward in life. Okay, with Ace of Wands, many of you guys could be focused on new beginnings. Okay, so one card for what is really blocking the connection. What is really blocking the connection, if you may know, Spirit? What is blocking the connection is this person has been very much manipulative in the past, and you guys or them were too fucking practical for fixing this connection. They were always giving you excuses as to why you guys shouldn't be together, and that logical, practical thinking has got you nowhere. Okay, bottom card we have is Strength, top card we have is the Chariot. This person wasn't very much open, like when it came to sharing their feelings with you, very much acting detached, heartless, cold, and that's not how you keep a Leo around. If you want a Leo, you should be very passionate about them. You should be giving a lot of time. Okay, Leo demands a lot of time, and they are very much loyal people. And if you're going to behave a sneaky, then I don't think Leo is want to entertain you in any which way or form. Okay, with Judgment card, you guys did have a chance for a second shot, but you guys could have decided not to because of whatever happened. Okay, for some of you, you have choices now. Okay, this is not the only person you have in front of you. There could be a new person coming in very soon. There could be a new meet that you're gonna possibly experience in terms of friendship, in terms of romance. Depends on where you take it. With the Wheel of Fortune, overall, I see good things coming in your life as the days go by. The next year is going to bring in a lot of happiness in terms of financially, emotionally, overall personal growth as well. Okay, with Strength card, you're finding the strength necessary to move on. Okay, that is what I'm getting right now. So, in terms of love messages from your person, what would they want to say to you now? Okay, we have one card already. I believe this is you. I'm sorry, I'm following my life purpose. So you might be wanting to follow your life purpose now, no longer wanting to stay stuck with this asshole. Okay. For some of you, this reading might go vice versa. This might be the Leo doing it. So you never know. It's easier to just stay away for now. So this person thinks it's easier to just stay away for now. But I can guarantee you this person will reach out by the end of the month. Okay. I miss you badly. Last card, what they would want to say to you. Yes, I'm facing the consequences of my actions. So if they did you wrong, they are possibly facing the karma. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Leo. If it resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. Please support the sign, support the channel. More likes, more views equals more videos in the coming month. So yes, please do support that. And thank you so much for coming here. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Happy holidays. And yeah, see you soon. Cheers.